Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, brother. Nice. You don't have a shot. Oh, no shot. Come on, bitch. Nice corner, sis. Nice corner.
Hey, everybody, that kitchen is open until 1 o'clock this evening, so want something to eat? Get your order in. Thank you.